Hi, this is Kelsey, your Navigating Neopoet workshop leader. Your fourth task in the workshop is to join a contest or a challenge. To learn about all the currently available contests and challenges we have on Neopoet, navigate to Contest in the top menu, and then select Find a Contest. From this list, you can see all of our current contests and challenges, and you click their titles to learn what the contest rules are. Everyone who's in this workshop is welcome to join the new member contest that we run each month. Once you know what which contest you are interested in, you can either submit a new poem and make sure you select that contest in the menu, or you can edit your poem. Hover over your name, go to My Works, click your poem, and click Edit. Then scroll down and find the contest section. And you will find the ones that are open to new participants, and you'll select the one you're looking for. I'm interested in the new member contest for March. Then click Save. And once your poem has successfully been added to the workshop or contest, you will see it here. New member contest March 2023. Thank you.